Hello everyone. In this video we will learn about the applications of the quadratic equations. We have already learnt about the solution of quadratic equations. Now we will learn how to apply them for the given word problems. And there are many types of problems given to us for this quadratic equations. What we do, we will be finding the quadratic equation for the given problem in one variable. And then according to the problem, we will form the equation and find its solution. First type of problems in this we have are based on numbers. Like we are taking one of the question, the sum of two numbers is 26 and their product is 144. Find the numbers. So what we do, since we have to convert it into the quadratic equation of a single variable, we will consider one of the number to be x. Let's see how we do it. Suppose we are going for solution. Let one number be x. Then since sum is given as 26, what will be the other number? Then other number will be 26 minus x. Now we have been given that their product is 144. So we find the product of these numbers and equate them to 144. So we write according to problem, x into 26 minus x is equal to 144. We simplify this. We are writing this as 26x minus x square is equal to 144. If we transpose these numbers onto that side, we will get 0 equal to x square minus 26x plus 144. Or we can write x square minus 26x plus 144 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation which is formed according to this problem. Now we have to find out the solution of it, and there are different methods, but suppose we use the factorization method. In that case we have to split the middle term. 144 is equal to, we have to find the factors of 144 in such a way that the sum of the factors is 26. We find it 18 into 8 because 18 into 8 is 144 and we find 18 plus 8 is 26. So we write here x square minus 18x minus 8x plus 144 equal to 0. Taking common from this group, x, we get x minus 18. In the other group we get minus 8 common, this is also x minus 18 equal to 0. So we are getting here x minus 18 into x minus 8 equal to 0 as the factors of the quadratic equation. Then what we get from this? We can get, according to this, x will be either 18 or 8. No, according to problem, we have considered x as the first number. So we will consider either 18 or 8 as the first number. So we write if x is equal to 18, then 26 minus 18 will be equal to 8. And if x is equal to 8, then 26 minus 8 will be 18. So this implies that the numbers are 18 and 8, and this is the answer to the problem. Second type of problems we may have based on ages. On that also we take one question. The age of Hari is 5 more than twice the age of his son. 2 years hence, the product of their ages will be 152. Find their present ages. So for the solution, we consider the age of son to be x years. So we write let the present age of sun be x years. Then the present age of Hari will be 2x plus 5 years or not, according to this. Then it is given 2 years hence or after 2 years. We have to see after 2 years age of sun will be what? Will be x plus 2, and the age of Hari at that time will be 2x plus 5 plus 2, that is 2x plus 7 years or not. Now according to this problem we have to find the product of them, and that is equal to 152. So we write according to problem x plus 2 into 2x plus 7 is equal to 152. When we multiply them and simplify, we are getting 2x square plus 7x plus 4x, that makes plus 11x plus 14 is equal to 152. If we transpose this 152, we get 2x square plus 11x plus 14 minus 152 equal to 0. Or we are getting 2x square plus 11x minus 138 is equal to 0. So we can write here 2x square plus 23x minus 12x minus 138 equal to 0. When we find the factors of this will come as 2x plus 23 into x minus 6 equal to 0. Then we take the values one by one. We are finding x will be equal to minus 23 by 2, or it will come as 6. But we know the age cannot be negative, so we can write since the age can't be negative, therefore x is equal to 6 is to be taken. So we can write hence the age of sun is equal to 6 years, and the age of Hari is equal to 2 into 6 plus 5, that is 12 plus 5, 17 years. Why? Because this is 2x plus 5, so 2 into 6 plus 5 is 17. Like this we can find out the ages of the persons which are given in the question. The third type of problem may be based on speed and time. And we take a problem, a bus travels the distance of 240 km at a uniform speed. If the speed is increased by 10 km per hour, then it takes 2 hours less to travel the same distance. Find the speed of the bus. What we do in such question? We will consider the speed of the bus to be x, and we will take that. We write the solution. Let the speed of bus be x kilometers per hour. Then the distance to be covered is 240 kilometer. The distance is equal to 240 kilometers. Then what will be the time taken? Time taken is, we know time is distance upon speed. So it will be here 240 upon x hours or not. Then we go when the speed is increased by 10 kilometers. On increasing by 10 kilometers per hour, the new speed is what? The new speed is x plus 10 kilometers per hour. Then the time taken will be, again with the same formula, this will be 240 upon x plus 10 hours. And this time is 2 hours less than this. It means according to problem, we will have 240 upon x minus 240 upon x plus 10 equal to 2. If we take 240 common, we are getting 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus 10 equal to 2. When we take the LCM of this, we get 240 into x plus 10, and it will be here x plus 10 minus x is equal to 2. This x and x cancel. And when we multiply this by this, we are getting 2400 is equal to 2 into x square plus 10x. We are getting from this x square plus 10x is equal to 1200. Or we can write x square plus 10x minus 1200 equal to 0 by transposing this. So we got the equation x square plus 10x minus 1200 is equal to 0. We know the factors of 1200 when we make, that is 40 into 30, and 40 minus 30 is equal to 10. It means we can make use of the split method here. We can write x square plus 40x minus 30x minus 1200 equal to 0. We take common x, this is x plus 40 minus 30 common in this, and we get x plus 40 equal to 0. Now x plus 40 is common, x plus 40 into x minus 30 equal to 0. These are the two factors. When we simplify and get the values of x, we are getting x is equal to minus 40 and 30. But minus 40 is not possible because speed can't be negative. So we write, since speed can't be negative, therefore x is equal to minus 40 is not accepted. Therefore we get x is equal to 30. So we get the answer 30 kilometers per hour as the speed of the bus. We can verify it also. See, if the speed is 30 kilometers, the time taken will be 240 upon 30, that is 8 hours. If the speed is increased by 10, it will be 40 kilometers per hour, and then the time taken will be 240 upon 40, that will be 6 hours, which is 2 hours less than 8 hours. Like this, we can have problems of various types which are based on the quadratic equations. So we can form the quadratic equation according to problem and find its solution very easily. I think you might have understood how to apply the quadratic equation for a given word problem. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any comments or doubts, leave them in the comment box and I will get back to you.